Hello everyone, I'm Janelle Ford and we thank you for joining us for Good News Killeen. It's October and we know what's on your mind. Pumpkin spice, candy corn, fall colors, and probably Halloween. As a reminder, the City of Killeen recommends safe trick-or-treating on Monday, October 31st from 6 to 8 at night. We have health and safety tips on our website, KilleenTexas.gov. It's not the fall season if you don't visit our annual Fall Festival. It's happening on October 29th from 5 to 9 at the Stone Tree Golf Club. We'll have your usual hay rides in the haunted house, but this year we also have axe throwing and so much more. The event is free. Head to KilleenTexas.gov/rec for more information. And here's another special treat. On the same day from 6 to 8, the Killeen Police Department is hosting their third annual Trunk or Treat event at the police headquarters. They're both exciting events for all ages. 1 week before those exciting events is the Killeen Fire Department's second annual open house. It's October 22nd from 4 to 7 at the Central Fire Station. Families have a chance to meet and greet with firefighters and participate in fire safety activities and demonstrations, as well as discuss prevention and awareness tips. The event is free and will include free food, gift bags, t-shirts, and Italian ice. It's all a part of Fire Prevention Week, which is October 9th through the 15th. It's all coming to an end. October 25th will be your last chance to take advantage of our farmers market, which kicked off in May. It's your chance to support our local vendors. The event is at the Lions Club Park parking lot every Tuesday from 4 to 7 in the evening. Don't miss out. As we round out Hispanic Heritage Month, we want to thank all of the Latin American organizations as well as the community who joined us for our reception and celebration throughout the month. To the Hispanic American Chamber, League of United Latin American Citizens, and Sociedad Cultural Hispano-Americanas, we thank you for all you do. For more details on events, programs, and happenings around town, you can always visit our city's website, KilleenTexas.gov, and follow us on all of our social media platforms. Enjoy your week.